What was that?
So we launched the third episode of the Burn Barrel last week, and that was meant to be it. And of course, you guys couldn't help yourselves and poured even more stupid ideas in the comment section, which has led us to waste even more money and order more parts. And we had so many people asking, what are you going to do with this thing? Are you going to turn it into a generator? Does it have a practical use? Can you burn waste oil? Can you put car tires in there? Like, all these are just stupid ideas. But there's one guy in the comment section who dropped an idea, and we could not help ourselves but make a video on it. So I've got a sick idea. We don't have a boost tee, so I figured if we get this drill bit, we can press it up enough, and then when we pull it down a bit, it'll bleed off a little bit of air out of that, the vein that's in there. We're having some dramas, boys. We can't get the fire going in the barrel, so we've turned to making a fire on the ground where we can get the logs cranking. Pop them in the barrel and we should be sweet. It only runs for like, what, 15 seconds and keeps going out. Yeah. I suppose we're rushing a little bit just trying to get it going, but the storm looks like it's going around us. The snags are cooking, but this plate is still too hot to touch. Yep, you can still hear it sizzling. Yeah. She's gonna go, boys. We've got some patties to go on as well. Oh, look at that oil. Yeah, she's cooking.
Now we've got to somehow get that into there.
What was that? Oh, the car's not on!
Oh no!
Oh no! The car's not on!
Stampy, you idiot!
Oh no! I didn't even think about the car being off. Oh, there goes another one.
No, let's turn the car on, we'll fix it.
Yeah, bit of lubrication.
How are the sausages looking? They cooked? Oh, they're cooked, eh? Oh, that's bad. Oh no!
Oh, that's so shit.
That's mad.
Get the air bar!
Oh, get her out!
Get the air bar! Yeah, that's...
reckon the turbo's done, eh? I reckon this is...
Nick likes sauce.
No, not...
It like stored straight away, eh?
It literally just stopped. Like,
That was fucking terrifying.
that was so weird, eh? Making a bit of toast on the barrel, mate. Wait, put some on the dump, I reckon. Oh, that's sizzling. I'm gonna have to flip that, I reckon. That's gonna burn quick. Oh, yeah. That's some good toast. How's this looking?
Looks good.
Well, it doesn't feel too bad.
Don't hook me up.
Yep. Where's this Tom's?
Oh.
Oh, you got it.
Bit of turbo on them, but that's okay.
Barbecue sauce, tomato sauce.
So Barbie.
Beautiful.
Well boys, we nearly destroyed a turbo because we were too stupid to turn the car on. No one in the comments said, don't forget to turn the car on. What is your problem?
I've never seen a turbo just stop like that.
We're going like, what?
We're just like, what do we do?
Oh no! I've never seen one just stop like that. But I felt the wheel. If you want to feel the wheels with that, like it feels alright.
That's very hot, man.
Like it feels
I
fine.
wonder why it actually just stopped. I
I,
was sure that there was no way that wheel was going to turn.
it just stopped, and then a bit of oil in there, and she was good again.
Oh,
Yeah.
a bit burnt, but just,
That's alright.
it's alright.
You'll live.
Beautiful. Hey, mate, just a bit. Gentle.
So yeah, I don't know what we're doing next, but it's all happening.
It tastes like degreaser and rust. I'm gonna get some fresh
No, just the
bread.
bread. The sausages are good, but just not the bread. Don't
Don't do that.
cook bread on your exhaust housing or your dump pipe. Don't do it.
Yeah, they're perfect. Anyone that's been to Bunnings knows the useless volunteers there make shit sausages.
Why don't we just set this up at the front of Bunnings? Free snags. I have to wait like half an hour for us
They're
to
not-
start a fire and cook
like-
8 sausages, though.
They're actually
And
cooked
a fire in
well.
the car park.
They're actually cooked really well.
Anyway, boys, that's it for today's episode. We still have some ripper ideas coming along for the burn barrel, so hang around. We'll see you guys in the next one.